Hey guys, Jenna Zweigel here and Josh Zweigel. So we're just having a casual conversation this morning, and I just wanted to share, behind the scenes what we're talking about because I think more people need to hear this. All right, so we're just having a conversation about the new bot that we just launched last weekend. And we're talking about what are the differences between our bot and other bots out there, and what's the difference between an algorithm and AI. So Josh, if you can just share a little bit about what are the main differences? Why is ours better? Why or is ours different? Why would you trust in our strategy and our technology over what you've seen in the marketplace?
Yeah, good questions. Yeah, so my opinion is that AIs are very different than algorithmic trading bots. AIs, they look at the market, they make analysis, and they're trading all the time. Whereas what we're doing with our algorithm trading bot is we're like the pilots. We know exactly when it's safe to operate. Pilots know when it's safe to fly under certain conditions. So we turn the algorithmic trading bot on and off to avoid things like high impact news and things that will affect the market. So the strategy is very precise under certain conditions, and we want to trade during those conditions. And so over the past, year and a half, this strategy has been just ripping the market, and I'm really excited about it. I think it's superior to, I know AI tech's kind of new, and I haven't really seen a whole lot of proven AI trading bots yet, but with algorithms that are based on pure logic and based on a solid strategy, I think we can do amazing things in the market.
So tell me, how do you know this is the right strategy? And what have you seen it do in the past? I mean, with obviously we're going to use a disclaimer here, but what's the documentation for it so far?
Yeah, good questions. So I've seen this strategy. Well, first, history of the strategy. So there's a really successful gold trader that I'm friends with, and it took him 6 years to basically develop this strategy, fine tune it, tweak it. It's a strategy where you are multiplying your lot size on every position that you take. It uses a special set of indicators that tells you, as the market's going up, the market's going to come back down, or as the market goes down, it's eventually going to come back up and return. And so it uses that indicator plus a certain, lot size strategy so that you're kind of like hedging, like as the price goes up and then it comes down, your bigger trades are worth more than your lower trades, and it's always resulting in a net profit. So it's got this amazing strategy. This guy became an IT student, started to develop, trading robots, and I, had an interest in it because I, tried to do manual trading. I have the utmost respect for people that can manual trade because it takes a certain type of person to be able to manual trade. I mean, I know you did it for a while. I did it for a while, and you definitely need risk management, time management. It takes a lot of practice. And so I've always been, fascinated with robots because if they can do the strategy without any emotion or any fear, any doubt, and they can do it at times where you may be sleeping, you may be traveling, you may be doing other things. So that's what fascinated me about trading robots and this kind of technology. And so we tested it for a year in 2022, and it got over 300% in in a demo environment. And then in the last 5 months or so, it's done over 80% as well. Obviously, that there's no guarantees when it comes to forex trading. The market can change. The market conditions are always up and down. It's a volatile sport, but we've had tremendous success with it so far, and I'm really excited to offer it in the international markets because.
So that was my next question. How much is it, and who can have access to it?
Yeah, so it's $199 a month for the Akashics membership. And what's cool about that is it's not just the bot. Like, there's amazing educators, live sessions, a full academy, scanners, trade alerts, tons of resources. And now the bot is also added into that membership. Or you could pay $19.99 for the whole year to get access to the bot. And I'll just say this too, like, do your research. Go out there and look at what people are charging for other bots, because the ones that I've seen are like $15,000 to $20,000 one time to get access to a bot, and some of them are not even proven. The strategies are not always working. They're blowing accounts. And then a lot of companies in our industry, I know this is a big concern, are funds or brokers or money managers, and they're taking a percentage of people's profits. I know so many people in the industry that have lost money like that. This is not a fund. We're not a broker. We're not a money manager. It's just connected right to your MetaTrader 5 account. So anybody in the international markets can use it, $199 a month or $19.99 for the year.
Okay, and lastly, again, no guarantees. There's a very serious risk involved with this. Though we have had pretty consistent results, we just have to put that out there. So for my birthday, I decided to throw $100,000 into the bot. Let's just see what happens. And within 6 weeks' time, it's made $27,000. $27,000 on $100,000 in my brokerage account. So again, we have to say there's a risk involved, no guarantees, all that good stuff. But that's my personal results so far. And we hope you guys get started with us. We'll see you soon.